Happy baby shower day. Okay, so let me just tell you that when I first started this channel, remember that intro video where I told you guys, oh, you're gonna learn about my life, my ups and downs? It's a little sad sometimes in this house. It really is. I would never in a million years have thought that I would be taking you guys into my baby shower for our baby Jenkins. Like I would never, ever thought that I'd be here, and I'm inviting you guys in. So thank you for being here. Thank you for loving me through those ups and downs and just being a part of the adventure, which is exactly why this is called Baby Jay's Great Adventure. You are a bit early. I'm here to help set up with the crew and show you guys around because it's about to be poppin'. Come on. So the whole reason why this was able to happen is my dearest friends, George and Joan Hunnay, were so gracious to give us their house to just let us like celebrate here. So I always love houses better than like restaurants or venues because they have this end time and they have these rules, and here we can just get as ratchet as we want, right? Take a look around. The first thing I want you to see is just the decor. Oh, the places that baby Jenkins will go. As you know, Jeezy and I love traveling, and I do believe that one of the biggest reasons why baby Jay kind of came to fruition for us is because we bonded a lot on those travels and talked about what we wanted to do together in life. So everything you see around you is travel inspired. First ever newborn with the passport all ready to go because I've already filed for one. There's George and Joan who have graciously given us the home. Take a look around. Guests are coming in about an hour, and I've got the last minute touches I gotta go do. So you guys stick around, it's gonna be such a great party.
Wow, I didn't see this yet.
This is so nice. Look at our menus. Oh my God, this is beautiful.
It's you. Go get ready, I'll do that. Only you.
Let me just tell you, dude, the whole goal of planning a baby shower is to have grace and forgiveness. Because you'll see people do things and you're like, what the f? Because out of the goodness of their heart, they did not mean to. Stupid people.
Not gonna look good, can't fix.
I know.
Good job. Where's Velvet? Vinny, where's the topping of the cake?
I love that you got mixed race babies. You know it, girl.
Where's the Asian baby?
Yeah, where's the Asian one?
There wasn't one.
Okay, so what we're gonna do with these is we're gonna take the Snickers and then we're gonna smush them in diapers and put them in. So they're gonna be covered with poop. Put the all up and down their legs here. And don't put it on the actual baby.
This is definitely an actual buffet as long as you touch me.
Aren't you guys excited about me being a mom?
We'll cover it when we get the
The babies, these games, were all picked up last night by Anissa, like at the witching hour before stores closed. So we have games. I didn't know how much work went into a baby shower, if I'm honest. And truly, we had such a great team that were helping, from BJ to Allie to Kevin to Jared and Jeremy. Shelly takes the baby shower cake when it comes to designing the party. If you know, Shelly owns an event plan. Shelly, what is Pop Social? What is it considered? Thank you, babe.
It's an experiential photo video agency.
Okay, fine. So, whatever Shelly just said, she is the CEO of Pop Social, and every time I work with Pop Social, it comes through. Like, it's beyond dreams are made for your event. She's
I will not say it.
Mom, if you say the B word, somebody's gonna take your necklace and you're gonna look shamed.
I can say in Vietnamese, you know.
Okay, fine. Say it in Vietnamese. But the person who's going to get the most necklaces gets our prizes because we have prizes
If
out
I
of game.
understand the Vietnamese, I can take it from you still.
That's
Wow.
true. Right. Yes. Please teach her a lesson. Yes.
Yeah, I can say, oh my God. Beautiful house and beautiful cake. That look like a man. What you mean passport? What? Huh? Hold on. What the passport for?
Because the baby's gonna travel.
With me? Because I think maybe I can go travel too. Is that Jeannie? Too much worry about the baby. Oh, I see the baby luggage. Very, very beautiful. Jeannie look funny in that picture. Oh my God.
Glad you like it.
Yeah, I like it. If I don't like it, I'll tell you right away.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah, I'm very excited. Yeah. So that way go travel. I never have a chance to see them.
Is it because of you my mom's wearing neutrals? My whole family didn't know that it was you.
We didn't know.
I saw last
The
night.
invite. Yeah. It's on the invite.
Nobody sent me the invite. Wow. Oh, I'm hungry. Thank you very much.
I'm so happy you're here, John. You don't even know. I love you. Dude, I look stunning.
Very, very good. The third one. Try it.
Mama, did you break the sign?
No, I didn't break the sign. You should buy at $1 store. If you buy $1 store, it's
You think that they made this sign for baby Jenkins at the dollar store?
You never know. Mom, I can do this. Did you know that?
You can make that sign?
Yeah, I can make this size.
Yeah, right.
I knew. Oh, it's not your fault. It's delicate. It's fine. It's fine. I'm sweating. It's fine. You know what? Anyone got a piece of gum?
I was just gonna say gum.
Oh, that's good. No. It's not a theme without theme stuff.
Jared.
Baby shower.
Oh, we have to get a necklace.
Can we move it back a little bit?
Everybody squat!
It's too close, you guys. Can we look? Can we?
Mừng cái này nữa thằng này mệt.
No, I got it.
Mua lên bên there.
My mom just said, move this. This guy is too slow in Vietnamese.
Okay.
This is better. This is better. Can you get down? Down. Down.
Got it.
Make sure I get my mom. Where's my mom? Oh, my mom right there. Yeah.
Hold
Look.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is happening for us. We got chosen.
By them. By God. By them. Yes, I know.
Yes.
Mama, what kind of grandmother are you gonna be?
What do you want to be? Grandmother, what guy?
Like, what are you gonna do?
I be the same thing like me right now, but more happiness.
Will you do like all the things that are needed for?
Yes.
Like what?
I will take care of the baby. You
Oh, sorry, you said baby.
Hey, you cheat on me. Should I give it to you right now? Well. He cheated on me.
Welcome to Baby J's Great Adventure.
Hi, everybody. I thank you for being a part of the journey for me and to actually come here to celebrate this moment for us. I just really am excited to experience this.
Thank you, baby, for this beautiful blessing that we're about to have. I just know that the woman that I love has to be the woman that I love because she wouldn't have so much love from y'all if she wasn't who she was supposed to be. So I'm very proud and very happy for this moment in our life. And I just look forward to this little bambino we about to bring into the world. You know what I'm saying? If it's a boy, he's gonna have swag like his daddy. And if it's a girl, she's gonna be sassy like you. So we good either way. Again, thank you all. Thank you all.
2 months.
What are you doing? I said, what is the baby? You said baby! Oh no!
Jeannie is going to demonstrate what you have to do in order to clean the baby.
Take a wipe and wipe all the poo off. This is your diaper rash cream. Gotta make sure there's ointment on it, baby powder, new diaper correctly placed on, pull the baby's dress down, and your daddy daycare is good to go.
You have to do all that while holding a phone. Now the women on the opposing team are going to do everything you can to distract the men.
Dads, you're doing what every busy mom is doing, which they're on their phones, they're handling their biznatch. And you wives, you know what to do. Distract your man.
3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, the way you do it, you kill the baby right now.
Let's take a look. Diaper's attached. Poo is clean. Diaper rash medicine is on, and powder is a fix. This looks like a winning baby, ladies and gentlemen. Marty's baby, unfortunately, is blind. Has baby